So here is LG IMS pop-up issue. Just gone here to the number of community forums trying to figure out what can be the resolution. A lot of people trying just to factory restart their phone. So should you do that? I found few people suggesting that actually this doesn't fix the problem. So even after you factory reset your phone, it doesn't. So as you can see here, do not factory reset your phone. It doesn't work. And of course, before even doing factory reset, be sure to back up your phone through the Google Cloud. So like factory resetting your phone can be quite dangerous if you don't know how exactly to do it. So first, like before even going there, just make a way to back up all your data, all your contacts, just to safely back that up to some cloud storage. Second, just read a good manual about factory resetting your LG device and only then do that, because there are like so many settings. I'm not going through that in this tutorial. Just you can lose all your contacts, you can use some kinds of your data depending on the settings how you do it. And if you never did it before, just maybe reach out to some specialist. And even after, it doesn't necessarily fix this issue. So there is this kind of fix when you go to settings, app notifications, three dots, and then storage, force stop and clear data, and then that's how you can solve the issue. That's kind of how it can work, how you can fix these pop-ups. So that's what can be done here. At least that factory resetting your phone won't obviously fix this issue. People are asking, is it like hardware issue on LG phones, or is it like a network issue for T-Mobile network? There is no answer to that as well. So that's basically what it is at this moment.